Wow, I look crazy, but you know what? I'm going to say what every beauty guru says. I'm just going to say, I know I look crazy right now, but don't worry. Don't worry, we going to clean it up and it's going to be real cute. Just wait, just wait. Because whenever they say that, the looks come out bomb, so I'm just going to be optimistic. Throw it out there, throw it out in the universe. We can come back to me and, you know, just make it happen. I don't know what I'm doing. Good morning, Mama. Notice anything different about me? Yes, I dyed my roots brown. It came out a little red, but I think it's only up here, like closer to the front of my scalp, I guess, or front of my head. Back here, it's pretty dark. Yeah, fall vibes. It's okay though. And then I right now I have leftover eyebrow products because my eyebrows are 2 different colors as well. So that's me right now. But I'm gonna go ahead and start getting ready to deliver the grand finale for you girls. I honestly think you're supposed to connect them. I really do. So I'm gonna start with my color that's gonna go up top. Oh my gosh, there's something in my eye. I think I'm dying. I'm gonna go in with the color red here, and yeah, fun fact, I'm allergic to red food coloring, so if I die, you know why. Here we go. Woo! I am terrified. You're good, you're good. It's okay, it's okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and go through with a second pass over just to, you know, well, actually, I don't know why, but I don't know. We're gonna go on to the base of the eyelids and we're going to clean it up, cut crease it with concealer. Okay, I'm back. And I got Sandia. Sandia is watermelon in English. And I have tahini on it. Oh my gosh. Yes. Oh my gosh. I should just be making like food videos because I have great taste in food. Wow. Un poquito más. Put that there. Oh, the aesthetic. No. Put it over here. Easy access. Concealer under the eyes to cover up my designer bags. I'm gonna try to bring it back so we can make this like a straight line effect. You know. I'm gonna go ahead and go into my skin with my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Foundation, and I am in the color 310. Yes, you have to shake it first, otherwise it'll be liquidy and not the right consistency. That's done. We're gonna try doing blue underneath to be different, and I'm using blue from my Crayon palette. Yes, it is glittery, so girl's gonna be shining. And I'm gonna go ahead and drag it up and meet the bottom of the eyeshadow I have on my eye. Okay. Oh, I do like that blue. It's different. Wow, she's really bold. And I'm gonna go into the inner corners with, I'm gonna use the color white first. I'm gonna go back into the inner corners with the color Baby Girl right here from Bretman Rocks highlighter palette. It's got like an iridescent color to it. I'm gonna go on top of my bottom lash line with the color white again, just to give my eyes a pop. I'm gonna put a little bit of white over the blue over here. I in between the two. So I'm done with the eyes. So I'm going to go back onto my face and I'm going to contour and highlight. So for my contour, I will be using my NYX matte bronzer in the color Deep Tan. So now I'm going to go in and snatch the nostril. Cute. Now I'm going to highlight using my Bretman Rock highlighter palette. Quaking. For my mascara, I'm going to be using the Tarte one. I'm just going to put a little bit on my eyelashes. That way when I put on my faux lashes, it can kind of stick together. And I want to go bold for my lashes today. So I'm going to try to use my Vegas Snake Grand Glamor lashes. But we'll see how it comes out because these are a little crusty. And this is the final look. This is the grand finale look. She's very different. She's very bold. She's very here. Hello. Yes. Sadly, I cannot wear this look out. So I literally just put this look on to film and show you what I came up with. But I have to go to an audition, so I have to strip it down and bring it back to basic. Which I'm kind of sad about because this is really cute. Girl, I'm looking real cute right now. Different or not. She's different. She's edgy. I might have to try more bold looks. Because they're really just... Who is she? Thanks for sticking around and watching. I will see you next time.